Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see recently added friends on Facebook. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook application, and then here at the bottom right click on the menu button, and then at the top right click on the settings icon. Here it is. Then you will see this interface. You need to scroll down and find your activity section, and then click on the first option, activity log. After that, you need to find connections section, and then click on manage friends button. Then you will see your activity. You can click on the filters button if you have a lot of different activities, and then categories, and then click on your friends. Here it is. And then you will see all your added friends. So it will be actually like a timeline, date by date. So in my situation, there is only one friend. So you can actually click on the three dots next to this one person, and then you can click on the unfriend if you want. So, and that's all, and that's how to see your recently added friends on Facebook. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.